Like quickly?
I don't know. You might want to. Well, I don't know. I'm recording it, whatever it is.
Look at that. That's messed up. I don't know, Lynn. That looks pretty rough. It could pop right back down, you know. I don't like the way that looks.
Maybe we're going over there.
Look, see how it's moving up in that direction? It's just so slow, though. Look, Kevin, that ain't good.
About past us now. The wind's starting to pick up a little bit too.
Hello, wind. Look at that, isn't that freaky? I didn't bring my phone out here to look at it. It's like it's sucking it back up now. That's messed up.
We'll be going somewhere. We don't have any flashlights or nothing. Any candles.
You know, that could spit right back down again.
Right here.
Here comes the rain now.
We should go in.
I don't know.
I say we go.
I mean, it's about too late, ain't it? We're just go back in the house. That is messed up. Look at it.
I'm getting all this. We got all this on camera.
It looks like it's a funnel cloud.
Are you filming?
I got all this filmed.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
Kevin live on tape with Weather Central.
Do you take it just a snapshot of it?